Hello everyone, welcome to the ProxySQL training course. So in this course we are going to study a lot of things. Actually what I have been wondering around when I was just trying to learn the ProxySQL course in the last 2 years. It was not easy for me to find a course which fully cover the ProxySQL course. So it was quite tedious for me. There was no path like from where to start the ProxySQL and how to like master the ProxySQL servers for different kind of topologies, like for MySQL replication, for InnoDB cluster, for PXE, and for Aurora as well. So what I have come here is to that along with MySQL replication course, you will find another course which is related to ProxySQL server. So let's jump into this ProxySQL course and what we are offering here. The course is like totally not prepared, but I think this is missing like 2 or 3 subjects, but still don't worry guys, it will arrive soon. So currently what we have is in the course is that it's totally introduction to the ProxySQL, what kind of architecture it is, how the background is working, how things are connected, how the processes are working, and then we have how we install the ProxySQL server and how we configure it for the basic MySQL replication. So what next we have is that we know that obviously we have to import the users, and how we can import the MySQL user into ProxySQL server, and how we can do the read write split in for the MySQL simple replication. And the same procedure goes with the rest of the topologies, either it is InnoDB cluster, PXE, Aurora, and whatever it is. So next we have is that let's say if the node goes down from the MySQL replication, and how does that work and how the ProxySQL will respond to that. And next we have query logging, and let's say if any user is executing the query going through the ProxySQL load balancer to the database, then ProxySQL itself is going to log that query based on the query rules you are going to use, and that has been mentioned here. And next what we have here is that we have query cache as well. What query cache is just like a simple cache where you just cache your queries to the for the instance results. And then we have ProxySQL cluster, let's say itself, let's say to have multiple let's say 2 or 3 ProxySQL instances, and let's say if one of the instances goes down, we should have another one. And if the one of them goes down, so we have virtual IP which just move to the other server node, to the other node of the ProxySQL cluster, and the application should not face any kind of downtime. So that's has been defined here. And we have a ProxySQL InnoDB cluster here as well. And if you want to play around with the configuration of the ProxySQL server itself, and that's how it is done here. And we have how to configure the AWS Aurora in the ProxySQL. So that's it is about that. And in total I think it's a huge course itself. It's a big course, it's a big content, you need to watch it, and this is the best course you can have on the ProxySQL on the internet. Okay, there are some other offerings, but it is totally going to cost you thousands of dollars, and this is just for $50, and it's the best course you can have. And in future we may raise the price of this course, so if you want to purchase this course, just do it right now. And I think soon this week I'm going to launch add some more topics to this one. The PXE is missing, and one is query firewall that is missing, and we will add that as soon as possible. Thank you guys for watching the ProxySQL tutorial. Keep learning, keep building your skills. Allah Hafiz.